we are traveling on to Pine Mountain Club. It's such a nice area. Look at all the trees. It's picturesque. Trees and more trees. It's very private back here. This is in this neighborhood, so that way they get an idea. That's good. Yeah. The only thing is the shaking. That's the only thing that's going to make it. So this is on the way to Pine Mountain Club. We're actually going to go to the clubhouse a little bit later, which is very nice. It's a very amazing community. There's a little squirrel crossing the road. And it's a great retreat away from the hustle and bustle of LA. Or if you want to live here permanently, it's really nice. So, anyway, stay tuned. This is on the way to Pine Mountain Club. Just a beautiful area. And this is Pine Mountain Village Center over here. Food, lodging, real estate. Gas station, and then here is the Pine Mountain Club. Right here, it's got a nice lake. And we're gonna go in there, have a little breakfast. Tennis courts, basketball courts, swimming pool. Golf course. Okay, so we're gonna do like the outside, like the whole perimeter, and then cut, and then that's it. And then we're gonna do the inside, or?
Right.
Okay.
Okay, take one, slate one, go.
Okay, we are here at 15213 Nesthorn Way in Pine Mountain Club, California. This is a beautiful house, a log cabin, and it is priced to sell. We're accepting offers. It has composite shingles. It was built in 2005, and it has a beautiful mountain and panoramic view. The lot size is 10,096. Square footage is approximately 2,400, and the listing price is $529,000.
Rolling.
And we have a satellite dish here, so you can get your good movies and cable. house is close to Fraser Park, only minutes away from Bakersfield and Valencia. And over here is the side entrance, right here. As you can tell, the house is very appealing from any angle you're looking at. It's a beautiful day in Pine Mountain Club. Now we're going to go inside and show you how lovely this log cabin home is. So one of a kind. We have this beautiful, nice outdoor deck in the front, as you can see. You can put a lot of chairs and have outdoor living while you're watching the mountain view. Nice windows. Welcome to this beautiful log cabin inside. Nice fireplace, beautiful clear ceiling, nice ceiling fans. Now we're going to take a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is amazing, spacious for those who love to cook and entertain. It's a great house to entertain in. A lot of lights, and it's bright, natural lights. Top of the line Whirlpool appliances. And then we also have a laundry room right over here. It's really nice because over here you can actually go from, if you want to go inside the door, and you have a balcony over here. And then if you want to go outside on the side door, there's also another balcony, which is really nice. So you have your privacy. And if you want to step outside on the balcony, you can see how nice it is. And it's a wraparound balcony. So basically, it encompasses the whole side and front of the house. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom. Very nice, very spacious. Look at these logs up here. Look how solid these logs are. Again, you have a lot of light. It's bright, extremely secure and insulated windows. Walk-in closet. Nice bathroom. Nice angled bathroom, and the nice walk-in closet is a must-have. I also like the textured walls. It's a plaster texture, and it's throughout the whole entire house. The next, we're going to go to the bathroom. It's It's a half bath downstairs. Again, very nice powder room. Logs everywhere. Another nice sized window.
Okay. Upstairs?
And we're gonna go upstairs now.
All right.
Again, there's another balcony out here. Screened in. So it's a lot of balconies, outdoor living in this house, overlooking the mountain, panoramic view. Upstairs has a split floor plan. It also has lofts in both bedrooms and very spectacular architecture. And we can't forget the baseboards. Log cabin, baseboard, log baseboards. Spacious, a lot of closet space. Beautiful house. This is a nice view from up top of the stairs, as you can see. Still a nice, gorgeous view overlooking the mountains. And then we have the bathroom right here. Full bathroom, shower, and again, you have the plaster texture walls in here. And we're going to go to the next bedroom. Again, with a nice floor plan. So you always feel like you have a lot of privacy in this house. Again, you've got the closets, closet space, mirror doors, loft area. And then we're going to come out here into this area, which is a separate loft area. Very charming. And we're going to go downstairs so we can show you that angle. So you can see how gorgeous this house is. Spectacular. This house is priced to sell and will not stay on the market long. And that is 15213 Nesthorn Way in Pine Mountain Club, California. Again, close to Frazier Park. If you're looking it up on the internet, it might come up as Frazier Park. It might come up as Pine Mountain Club. It's a beautiful, amazing area. You can check out my website at www.bhbarealestate.com, and you can go on to the virtual tour, and I hope you like this. And please call me for any offers, showings. Again, this is Beverly Hills Real Estate, Beverly Hills Brokers and Associates.